How can we deal also with this dynamic of over-diagnostic and over-treatment of this actual medicine? How can we deal with that? How can we as general practitioners fight it? Or
again, I think it's about keeping thinking. I said in my presentation earlier, I think what we are trying to do is to treat the existential problem that comes from knowing that we will all die and we will all suffer and we will all lose people that we love. And we try to treat this with pharmaceuticals. It's so crazy. It is as crazy as sacrificing a goat, really, in terms of the utility of trying to stop old people dying by giving them 25 tablets a day. What are we doing? I mean, this is clearly crazy. And I think that people, the next generation, your children, will look back and think, what were they doing? What were they trying to achieve? Spending all this money on all these preventive tablets. It's this strange idea of that if we take enough medicine, we'll live forever. Wrong. So that's not going to happen. So I think it's really that we have to sort of shift our attitude. And partly I think it's to do with lack of courage in doctors and nurses to talk to people about the inevitability of their situation. I mean, why give an 80-year-old statins? What are we trying to do here? Make them live to 105? I mean, who wants to live to 105? I don't. So I think we have to have more courage to talk about the limitations of medicine, what medicine can achieve and what medicine cannot achieve, and be more realistic. And because if we spent even a small proportion of the amount of money we spend on tests and medication, on more social justice, better housing, better jobs, better education for children, the world would be a better place than keep on trying to make people live forever with tablets.